Hi, my name is Hannah. I'm an Ocado driver. I've been with them for 4 years now. I'm here at Mob Kitchen today to make my vanilla and orange baked cheesecake. So first thing you want to do is melt the butter on a hob. Just get it fully melted and make sure it doesn't go brown at all. Then just leave it on the side to cool down. Take your biscuits, I like to use digestive biscuits, and you just crush them up in a blitzer, make sure they're all perfectly fine, and then take it out and put it into a bowl, add the butter and start mixing. You're gonna wanna mix it until all the crumbs are nice and coated with the butter. Pour your biscuit mix into the tin and start patting it down with a spoon. The better you press it down with the spoon means your base is gonna be firmer. Take your Philadelphia soft cheese, put it into your bowl and just start softening it up with a spoon until it's nice and creamy. And next you just want to add all of your ingredients into this soft cheese mix. Cream, vanilla extract, eggs, golden caster sugar, and then finally zest your oranges. I'm using our Ocado oranges for this delicious zest. Then you'll want to take your whisk and just start whisking away. Make sure it's all fully combined. Once it's all smooth, you can pop it into your tin over the top of the biscuit base. Then you want to pop it into the oven. You cook it until it's got a firm texture, but a bit wobbly in the middle. Once you've taken it out, leave it out to cool for a little while and then put it into your fridge to finish off cooling for about 2 to 3 hours. Whip it out of the tin and then dust it with icing sugar. And then it's ready to serve. Slice it up. Put it onto a plate. And then you can use cream on top to finish it off. That's it for today, guys. I'm going to now tuck into my cheesecake.